Hello friends, welcome back to CID and this is Pawan. I am going to elaborate our one more advanced project made in Python, and today's project is face recognized attendance system. So let me show you that what is this and how it will look. This is the basic GUI graphics of our project I had made for my college project, and I'm going to share you this. And guys, please let me know if you want the tutorial of this project and how is this project. Please leave the feedback on the comment section. So let me elaborate all the functionality of this application, and please guys leave in the comment box that in which language you want the tutorial, cause many of you have suggested that I want the tutorial in Hindi language. So if you want in Hindi language, then you can let me know, otherwise I will continue in English language. So let me elaborate. Here as you can see, this is the basic layout and it has three buttons: add new student, start recognizer and export attendance. If you will click on add new student, it will pop up one window here and it will ask that in which class you want to add the student. Here three options are there, cause I have only three classes in my college: MCA, BCA and IMCA. If I am selecting BCA, then semester will be changed up to 6. Let me change to IMCA, then it will change up to 10, cause IMCA has 10 semesters in my college. If I am selecting MCA, then it has only 4 semesters, so it will be updated up to 4 only. So I can select any of the stream, any of the semester. I can add any of the name and their roll number, and then I can use start face training. Okay. Second button is start recognizer. It will start the recognizing and attendance will be made after recognizing the things. The third button is export attendance. You can export in PDF files and do anything. Okay, but for the security purpose of any of the project, as you know that this is the attendance system and it must have the security. That's why I have not shown in this project that you can change the data of the attendance or not. Okay, if you will go through this thing, then you will understand that how can you change any of the items. Okay, but this is not recommended because attendance must not be changed. So that's why this is importing in PDF, cause like that any of the student cannot change its attendance. And now here this is the table in which some of the columns are there: student name, roll number, class attendance, arrival time and detected on. All the tooltips about these columns are shown here. That detected on is here like name of computer on which detected, arrival time, on which time a student is detected. Okay, like that all the things are there. Let me start recognizer and then you will see that how it will work. Okay, so I will have to stop my webcam cause it is occupying my webcam and it will need the webcam to recognize me. So let me stop. So let's start recognizing me. Let me first add myself as the student of MCA1. Okay, and now let me give my name. Okay, and here it is roll number like 1001. Okay, and now let me start the recognizer, and here you can see that this is starting. As you can see, this is detecting my face and showing on this small window. Okay, and if it will show any of the face here, that means it is recognizing correctly, and you can now press C on this window, then it will recognize. As you can see that here it is showing as 0, data is recorded. You can add multiple faces for the same person, cause multiple faces will give you the more accuracy of the face recognition. So you can add up to 10 faces here. Okay, so let me change the angles of my face, and then it is recognizing. I have recorded up to 6, and now I can close it. Okay, for close I am pressing Q button. So it has recognized one face. If you want to change, add another student, then you can add here another student. I want to use only my data, and let me recognize. Let me start the recognizer, and now here it will again ask about the streams and the semesters. Cause I have inserted myself as MCA1 student, so I will select MCA1 and let me done it. Now it is starting the recognizer. Let's wait. And now it is recognizing, and as you can see that it is showing my name and also my roll number. Okay, now let me hit C button. Now as you can see, after pressing C button, it is capturing my attendance and it is showing out on my screen that Pawan Kumar, roll number 10001, MCA1 student, attendance is present, arrival time is 9:59 am, and Manav PC, that is the my PC name. Okay, if I will again try to detect myself and make another student attendance, then it will show the message that you are already present at 9:59 am. Okay, so I cannot add myself again. Okay, so it will work like that. Now let me close it. Now here this is the data, and now let me show you some another functions of this project. It is very responsive to all of the windows. You can see that on the full screen it is also showing, and my computer is very big and it is working on this also. Okay, you can resize it at any of the window. It is working. Now it has some of the options in menus: save attendance, open backup attendance, print preview, and exit. You can save the attendance, you can open the backup attendance, you can print the attendance, you can see the print preview. As you can see, this is the preview and this is showing out the attendance here. You can print it also. Another thing is format. In format, I have added two themes, dark mode and light mode. User can change the light mode and also the dark mode. Okay, another thing is developer section. In this, two options are there: train for new face and check debug file. As you can see here, it is the debug file, and debug file I have added that if user will get any of the error in the project, then this debug will show you that what is the problem. Okay, as you can see, this is the debug file. It will open if you want to check the debug file. Okay, another option is train for new face, and if you want to train for new face, it will work same like add new student. Okay, as you can see, this is the same window. When you will click add new student, this window will open. Another option is about. In about section, you can check about the app, and here it is the full description of my app, that what is this and which are used in it and what are the requirements. Another is contact developer. Here I have my details here. You can contact me on this. Another is help section, and in help section there are two options: how to train model and how to use. When you will click how to train model, it will just show you that what are the steps to train the model. Another is how to use. In how to use section, you can see that all the details are there, that how can you use this app. Okay, so this is the project I have made. If you want this project completely in zip format, then you can contact me on my WhatsApp, on my email, and you will get in reasonable price. But if you want the free tutorial on my YouTube channel, then please let me know in the comment section, and let me also know that in which language you want the tutorial, in Hindi language or in English language. Okay, so guys, I hope you have enjoyed this demo of this project. See you in next video.